What's up everyone, Jude here from LMR.com. Today we're going to be installing a 1979 to 1986 Mustang console armrest hinge reinforcement kit designed by Resto. We want to be going into our 1979 Fox Body Mustang.
Not only can you use this kit to reinforce your current center console and armrest hinge, you can also use it to repair it. This kit includes 2 reinforcement brackets, 2 lower support screws, 2 hinge screws, and 2 U-nuts. To begin, we're going to take our Phillips head screwdriver, open up the center console, and remove the 2 hinge screws. You'll then want to remove the 4 lower screws on the console panel. Remove the panel from the console. Clip the U-nuts to the inside hole for each reinforcement bracket, then place them under the hinge attachment point to align with the holes. With the brackets in place, put the console panel back and align the mounting holes. Start the lower panel screws, but do not tighten them yet. Go ahead and install your upper screws. Now you can fully tighten the hardware. Be careful not to over tighten. Check over your work and you're good to go.
As y'all can see, it's a very easy and simple process to install this hinge kit. We hope this has helped you guys out. Make sure to like and share the video and be sure to subscribe for more Fox Body content. And as always, keep it right here with the real Mustang enthusiast, LMR.com.